This is our Amaryllis, and you can see it's got one left open. Here's one that's already opened. We got it on this plate here, and this looks nice to be used inside. It's you can just get these plates at backyard sales, and they look nice, and you don't have to worry about using your actual kitchen dishes. If it gets this white stuff on there, that's a fungus disease. I'm not sure of the exact name. I've forgotten it actually. But what seems to work is just spraying mouthwash on it. This is just ordinary mouthwash. And if it needs a second application, you can, but this usually does a pretty good job of it. And it's just it's not Listerine. It's just some mouthwash we get some from.